Hey, crypto heroes! Hey everyone, what's up? So today we're diving back into the Tbook Telegram mini app. I'm gonna show you a simple trick to basically double your rewards for their airdrop. Now, I already covered the main Tbook Airdrop, the web version, in a previous video. If you haven't seen that one yet, I'd recommend checking it first, then come right back here. This one's not like those other hyped up plays we saw with Hamster or TapSwap. You know, Tbook's on a whole different level. They've already pulled in $5 million in funding backed by heavy hitters like the Sui blockchain and KuCoin exchange. That said, the Ton Foundation jumped in to support their mini app and bot, which is pretty cool too. First off, head over to this bot. I've dropped the link right in the description below. After that, go straight to that section. The first and most important thing you gotta do is the daily check-in. Here's, unlike the web version, this daily check-in is only available inside the bot, and if you do it every day, your points go up like crazy exponentially. After you build up your daily check-in streak, you can claim your SBTs and mint them on the Ton chain. Just click mint SBT and it will redirect you to the Ton ID bot. From there, first connect your wallet and you'll get your badge. It is totally free. You don't have to pay any fees or anything. Now, if you happen to miss a day and break your streak, no worries about that. You can actually purchase it back and retrieve that streak. That is why every single day counts, bruh. Alright, another quick tip that is super important. Make sure you connect a Ton wallet that is actually got some action going on, like one with more swaps and transactions under its belt. Just tap on your profile, spot that Toncoin icon and connect your wallet right there. What I mean is, the busier your wallet's history, the better. Check this out. I hooked up this account with a more active wallet and it straight up gave me a higher starting score. Alright, so there are a few on-chain and social missions you can knock out to boost things up. The first one provides some liquidity on the Ton chain and rack up a couple transactions. I didn't connect my wallet here just to show all the quests clearly, but hook up your wallet so it can verify and check them off. And the last one's pretty much the same vibe, but this time you need to have some transactions on Notcoin. So when you click on that, it'll redirect you over to this bot. It is basically the famous DEX on the Ton chain, but they've got a bot version now. The other tasks, just connect your X and Discord account. And for this one, you can straight up submit your own Telegram group or channel. Alright, so go ahead and click on the details button. You'll see a ton of tasks right there. Though connect with the same account across the bot and the web version. Like make sure your wallet address for Ton or Sui is identical on both. No mix-ups. And hey, if you are dealing with a Sui wallet in this bot, the OKX wallet is perfect for you. If this breakdown's helping you out, smash that like button and drop a comment below. I would love to hear how it's going for you. And last thing, pop over to my Telegram channel for all the fresh drops and these kinds of projects. See you in the next chats. Goodbyes, heroes!